Murugamo wa mbere wa ruhonge rwa urathi wa riera wari ati mbura ya ELNINO ikaura mieri-ini ya 11 na Dithemba, no thutha ucio murugamo uyu ni uracokire uracenjia na ica ikuhi President William Ruto nierika kwanirira gutiri na dalili cia mbura ya ELNINO.
Juzi mlisikia tukawa na habari pengine kutakuwa na ELNINO ambayo itaharibu kule, itaharibu mali ingine, lakini Mungu ni nani? Mmesikia wale watu wamesema tena ile ELNINO haitakuweko.
Nori umurugamiriri munene wa ruhonge ruru niekirite mukonde mbura iria iraura ni ya ELNINO, no ho gucunga muhera ni murugamo wa kuga gutigukorwo na mbura ya ELNINO.
I want to point out that as initially given in the forecast, we have ELNINO in this short rain season 2023, and we do apologize for the lack of communication or miscommunication because that was a big mistake.
Thutha wa mucemanio wa kwaririria njira cia kung'ethanira na mbura ya ELNINO, munini wa President RIGATHI GACHAGUA augite makiria ma kaunti 19 nicio ihutitio ni mbura ino, agitariria unyitaniri wa thirikari na honge itiganite uteithia aria mahutitio.
I'd like to confirm that the government working with partners is on top of it. More than 19 counties in ASAL and non-ASAL areas have been adversely affected by the continuing heavy rains.
County cia rugongo ta Wajir, Marsabit, Isiolo, Mandera, Tana River nicio cihirirwo makiria, icunjĩ imwe cia barabara igitinika na wandu amwe magitigwo matare na wikaro.
Families have been displaced, especially in northern Kenya and downstream in areas like the county of Tana River. 4, efforts are ongoing on documentation of missing persons, livestock lost and the crops destroyed to the enhanced rains. We'll be making this data public once confirmed. The risk of rivers breaking their banks, and in this regard, we ask our people to be on the lookout.
Ukiri uguo kugerera kamiti ya kuhitana na maundu ma hinahi, Gachagua ugite ni marahota gutuma ndege guthamia aria me ugwatine na ho gutwarira arutwo igeranio cia KCSE kuria barabara ithukangitio.
Through the National Emergency Response Committee that I chair, the government and other partners have taken a raft of measures to reduce the negative impact of the rains, including 1, deployment of aircrafts by the Kenya Defence Forces for evacuation of marooned families to safe grounds. As we speak, we are delivering KCSE examinations to areas disconnected due to damaged roads. We take this opportunity to request the county governments to reallocate resources to mitigate this emergency.
Thirikari yatanyaga kuhuthira ciringi bilioni 10 cia gutiria bururi kumana na moruru ma mbura ya ELNINO. Ngiribotera Kameme TV, ritwa riakwa ni Mubi Wachege.